Life is energy. Energy is for everyone. And so is Ugesi. Imagine a future where you don't rely on the availability of electricity to inform the quality of your life or the course of your future, where you're not dictated by where you stay and are guided by nature's very own, day and night. Ugesi is bringing you the light you need to shine your path, and it is shining on the path of everyone. A community off the electricity grid, a farmer on the periphery of the established market, a patient who requires constant health checks, a scholar who could benefit from an ICT center, a domestic home that needs to be warm at night, a mother who needs to provide for her family, a student on the verge of changing the world, a banking hall that is the heartbeat of the market, a farm that grows perennial crops. Ugesi Power envisions a future where fully functional communities are built off the utility grid, a future of sustainable energy, communities cognizant of the impact of their action today on future generations, delivering improved access to clean energy, bridging the energy divide, transforming communities, and achieving universal access to electricity. Ugesi Power is at the heart of digital transformation in previously marginalized communities. With the connected business ecosystems and connected large-scale industries, employment and revenue-generating projects have been created in remote parts of the world. Businesses can operate for longer hours, stimulating higher revenues, profits, and improving the overall well-being of the community. Businesses can now enjoy long hours of lighting, refrigeration, and access to digital tools essential to business growth. Ugesi has empowered the bottom end of the pyramid and improved the social and economic well-being of communities, and is catalyzing a new era of business and economic development through improved access to energy, information, communication, education, health, global trends, and reverse migration. With nearly 2/3 of Africa not connected to the utility grid, you too can be a part of the 1/3. You too can have access to Ugesi. Visit www.ugesipower.com. Get connected. Ugesi, transforming rural communities through solar.